Welcome to the next episode of property finder application. So earlier we created the listing part for the owner can list all their PGs or house or any kind of businesses they can list out. Okay, we already created that part. If you are new in this series, please go through the previous part. We already created the 3 or 4 parts of this video. Okay, so now in this video we are going to see the customer side. Okay, so customer will now from this video we are going to see how customer will see all the properties. Okay, and how customer can search properties using the map. For map we are going to use OpenStreetMap. Okay, we are not going to use Google Map because for Google APIs we need some payment we need to do. So we are not going to use any kind of Google Map or payment system. Okay, so for that we are going to use the OpenStreetMap. Okay, and after that we are going to check the booking section. Okay, now in this video we simply list out all the properties and we simply display that property details in a detail space. Okay, so before that I already created the customer controller as like owner controller. If you already see the video how we created the controller for owner, for the customer we created the same. Controller name is customer controller. We created one customer menu and here we list out all the values or all the items. Okay, for the drawer there will be a property listing, searching, my booking and wish list. Okay, and by default property listing is selected. Okay, now come to the customer home screen. As you see here, similar to owner, we created a custom title. Okay, and similarly we are adding the app bar using the get title or the custom title. Okay, whenever we select one particular item list from the drawer, that list title will be displayed in the main screen, that is in the customer home screen app bar. Okay, so now this is one leading. Okay, so here whenever we click on it, menu button, our drawer will show. Okay, open drawer. As you see, our drawer will open. Okay, now in drawer similarly we add all the details. Okay, this is similar to owner home screen. Okay, just you need to edit all these options. Also use the customer menu, not the owner menu. Okay, make sure you are using the customer menu, not the owner menu for the customer home screen. Okay, now we are creating these 4 screen. If you see, all property screen, this is one screen, this is another screen, searching screen, this is for my booking screen, and this is for wishlist screen. Okay, these are the simple screen that I created for now just to navigate. Okay, from the drawer. Now let's do one thing. Let's this is for the customer login. I create profile and login. This is for the ID 29. Okay, this is for ID 29. This is for customer. Okay, so let's do one thing. For ID 29, let's change the status. Okay, we change the status. Now if we run the application again, okay, as you see, all properties, search room, booking, wish list. Okay, navigation is working fine. Okay, now let's list out all the properties here. Okay, list out all the properties here. So go to the all property section, all property screen. Now here we are going to fetch all the properties. Okay, with all the properties types, because in property types we are getting IDs, right? So based on the IDs we need to get the property type name also. Okay, so let's do the coding for the all property screen. Okay, Okay, so property is showing perfectly. Okay, so yeah, so property is showing perfectly. Now if you see here, this is the image and this is for our property type, this is for the property name. Okay, and this is for the location, and this is for the location. Okay, so yeah, that's list is showing perfectly. Now on click on tab here, now here on tab we need to display the details of the particular property. Okay, so for that just do one thing, go to the padding, here. Let's on tab, this is property details screen. Okay, so now here in property details screen we need to pass the property. Okay, we need to pass the property. Okay, let's create the details screen. Okay, so this is property details screen. Okay, so here basically what we need to do here, basically we are going to create mm, uh, image gallery. There will be, okay, just do one thing, just first create the UI, then I will then you will get to know how it is working. Okay, first thing first, here we need to import the property model. Okay, also then add. Okay, so yeah, now here basically what we need to do, first of all we need to display the image here. Okay, after that the name, then types, then location, then other like accommodation, and what are the like facilities available. Okay, and who is the owner, and that everything we are going to display in here in this page. Okay, so let's first of all let's import it. Okay, now here for now let's just do one thing, scaffold body. Okay, now then we need one bottom navigation bar. Okay, there will be property actions. Okay, so these three things we need. Let's just do one thing, let's just create these widgets here. Okay, now first thing we need here is image gallery. Okay, so let's first design the image gallery, then I will explain what is going on. Okay, Okay, as you see, image is displayed perfectly. Okay, image is displayed perfectly. Okay, now go to our property full property info page. Okay, now go to our property info. Now let's create property info. Okay, here in visits. Okay, I created the whole screen. Okay, this is pricing screen. Okay, and now there will be owner content contact details also here. This is a put below the pricing. Okay, this is the owner contact details. Okay, so after that I added one property action page or which is also in the bottom navigation. As you know, property action, this is a property action page also. Property actions means basically there are two buttons. There is one for add to wish list. As you see here, this is add to wish list, and another one is for book now. Okay, this one is elevated button, and this one is outline button with one icon. Okay, this is the property action, and this is the property information. Okay, now if I run it again, let's just rerun the code again. Okay, as you see, it is working fine. This is the contact owner details also display here. Okay, this is the add to wish list, and this is the book now, and it will be stay in the it is act as a bottom navigation, so that's why it is stay at the bottom. Okay, this is our detail screen. Okay, our detail screen is also work perfectly, as you see here. Okay, yeah, so detail screen is work perfectly. In the next video we are going to see how we can work on our searching room. We are going to work on our searching screen. Okay, if you have any query or any question, you can ask me in the comment section. Okay, thank you.